Today we're showcasing a Ram 5500 service truck we set up for Pattison Ag. We've got a regular cab truck, 2024 model, SLT trim. We set up with a custom 11-foot aluminum service body. We've got it set up with a 60-inch tall cabinets and the 23-inch deep drawers. On all four corners we got the three-way 120-degree work lighting, as well as we've got it set up with a Miller Bobcat 200 air pack. So you've got a generator, compressor, welder, and a booster all in one unit. Very popular setup. In the passenger side, one compartment, we've got it set up with 8 lock-in, lock-out drawers. So those lock out, as well as lock-in, so they're not rattling around while you're driving. In the number 2 compartment, we've got it set up with the 3 oxyacetylene holders with the vented door. And then over the wheel well, we've got 3 wide drawers. We often put bolt bins in here as well to separate out if you want to put fittings or separate out different sizes of bolts. All cabinets are set up with lighting as well. So as you can see on here, when you have your door open, the light is shining directly down into your actual drawers. And then in the rear box, we've got it set up just with three shelves. So a bit of a customized option there. You can set up more drawers as well. We've got it set up with the master lock system. So every door does lock with a key. With this, you can use a padlock and push that in. That'll lock it. And there's one bar that'll lock each side, just an extra layer of security. Got the heavy-duty rear workbench bumper with the vise pockets. You can run a vise on either side. Then we got the flip-down grip steps, and then both outrigger legs widen out. We've got the barn-style 3-piece doors on here with the sliding top, which is opened up now. So we got it set up with a tool holder and a chain and boom rack and some J-hooks. There's 8 recessed tie downs in the bed of the body as well. You need to tie down any parts or anything you put in there. One thing to note about this style of doors is if you're ever hauling something longer, you can close the top. That'll lock into the roof, and you can have something longer at the back end if you ever need to. These doors have a clamp on them, so when they do, they lock open, so you're not swinging around in the wind. And coming around to the driver's side, we've got it's set up mostly with drawers, and the rear box is set up with your reel. And this particular body is set up with the crane support. So down the road, they have the flexibility to add on up to a 7,000-pound crane on this truck. Above the wheel here, we've got it set up with the workbench. So you got your light directly above it, and then you've got your bench, and then the big door does provide some cover if you're working in the rain. And then you got your bolt bins in your drawer above it, as well as 2 extra drawers. In the number 1 and 2 cabinets, we've got it set up just as tool storage. So we've got 8 drawers in here and 4 extra drawers in there with 2 shelves, just extra space. And then we've got a spare tire up top as well. So that's just a brief overview of the truck, and we can customize pretty much anything. So that's just a brief overview for you.